Maybe 4.
Put like a 2. Did you start it?
I did.
Hi, YouTubers. This is slime video number 3. Oh, who knows? It could be slime video number 4 already. I know what are we going to do about the episoding. When we come to upload this video to YouTube, nothing meant to happen. But here we go to cut the slime off. You have to be really careful while you do this. You can see it's very tricky. Don't let too much slime fall. I'm going to use my thumb and do the same thing. I need to loosen up the thickness of the slime and then put my scissors, cut it up. This is silly, never mind. This is tricky too. Okay, and then you just let the rest fall. Oh yeah, normally in this video you have a challenge, a math pot, right? You start from the smallest piece all the way to the biggest piece.
That's right. Greater than, smaller than.
That, and it gets bigger, and then here is the final piece. Okay, Dad, can you put all these together in puzzle pieces? Okay, it's gonna be a tricky one. From smallest, wait!
That just got launched.
From smallest to biggest. Okay.
Okay.
I think this one right here is going to be the biggest.
We gotta end the video soon.
Go! It's a tricky one. I said from smallest.
To, yeah, I'm gonna keep the smallest there. Is that the smallest? That one's smaller.
Well, yeah, that is the smallest.
No, you're right.
Okay, now put them all together.
You can do that, please.
Okay, I know how to do this with a special tool.
Okay, bye everyone.
In a sec. Bye, you should see in the next slime video that I'm going to make ahead of me, but don't end it now. YouTubers, see that? If it's very pitch black, what no